Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to change object color in image on Canva. So open Canva and create a new design, upload your photo or just get it in elements. I will choose this image, go to edit, then select magic grab, select your object, then click on grab, choose the background image, select set as background and select your object, then go to edit, select adjust, go to edit color. Now you can change your color. You can select any color that you want. Just change the setting here. I will choose another image like this. Resize the photo. Then go to edit, magic grab, then change your object. Then back to edit, adjust, now change the color. Select another object. You need just select the background image, then edit, then magic grab like this. Then back to edit, adjust, change the setting, and change all your object's color. This is the final result. I hope that you like this tutorial and subscribe in my channel. Thank you for watching this video.